Good news, Middle East! The Blackmagic Design URSA Mini Pro 12K is here. Let's check it out! After the success of Blackmagic Design URSA Mini Pro 4.6K G2 and the Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 6K, a lot of people have expected that the next camera from Blackmagic Design will be an 8K camera. Sorry to disappoint, but Blackmagic Design have other things in mind, like say releasing the world's first 12K digital film camera, the Blackmagic Design URSA Mini Pro 12K. The URSA Mini Pro 12K has the same form factor as the URSA Mini Pro 4.6K G1 and G2. You just have this 12K badge of honor, and it has the same features like your recording slots right here. You can record using your CFast, your SD card, and you also have the capability to record via the USB-C. Additionally, you can also get the optional accessory that you can attach your SSD recorder at the back of your camera so you can record your media through an SSD drive. URSA Mini Pro 12K also has an interchangeable lens mount, and when you buy the URSA Mini Pro 12K, it comes with a PL mount by default. But if you're using EF lenses, you can just get the optional EF mount. It's a user replaceable lens mount, so you can just remove this and then put the new lens mount. The URSA Mini Pro 12K has a 12K sensor that has a resolution of 12:88 by 6480. And just like the URSA Mini Pro 4.6K G1 and G2, it has its own ND filters that is a mechanical one. At the back, this is where you will put your battery plate, or if you are using the optional accessory for the SSD recorder, this is where you attach it as well. You have your BNC connectors here that has your SDI out and SDI in and reference input. These ports will only output Ultra HD maximum. And in front, you have another SDI output for your Viewfinder as well. And you can power your Viewfinder using the 4-pin XLR right here. There's also a reset mount on the side for mounting your hand grip or other accessories. There are quite a few mounting points in the camera. So you have your 1/4 inch right here on top, and you also have 1/4 inch at the bottom. There are two things that we want to highlight about the camera. Number one is the sensor. This is Blackmagic Design's own sensor that they've developed themselves. And the second one is the newly released Gen 5 color silence. Those two topics will be discussed on a separate video, so keep an eye on it. I can talk all day about this camera, but I think it's best if we just take this into the streets of Dubai and then see what it can really do. What do you think? Watch this space for videos about this beast of a camera, the Blackmagic Design URSA Mini Pro 12K. Ciao!